Oké, Bram, ik heb hier een mooi pakje. Ik heb mijn pakje binnen. Hoe fijn is dat? En dit is... Oh, sorry. I almost forgot. We have to do this in English. Well, Bram, I just have received this small parcel. It's a very nice parcel because I know what's in it. And I will open it. I bought this on... what's the site's name? I don't know. It's from China. Because China is cheap and we're not yet at war with China. But what's in it? Well, I'm going to show you. I already told you, so maybe you know it. But first, look at how it's a very nice pack. It's got a lot of tape, a lot of plastic. Oh, you like my knife? It's a original sock, Seiki. It's a vintage one, but it doesn't matter because it's good. Okay, the package. Plastic, more plastic with... How do you go? Plastic with a stab wound. Okay. Open it up. Open it up. Open it up. Oh, it's hard to open. No, it's not. I'm just playing around. I try to do this on video so you can... A box. This is in there. Toaks. What is Toaks? Toaks is a brand of a titanium cookware manufacturer. That's who cares. But we have here a very nice titanium pot. It has some scratch marks, but I don't mind because I will cook with it anyway. Small frying pan, very nice. A larger pan. I used to have a zebra kettle, stainless, and this is titanium. Also some small damage, but I don't care. Okay, it's a nice pot. Is it round? It's a bit flimsy, maybe. Okay. But it's big enough. The next thing also. Nice stuff sacks. Whoops. It's a smaller one. Yes. And also titanium. And it weighs nothing. Nothing at all. Oh, this will be my new camping cook kit. And I'm very happy with it. Yes.